All right, guys, this is December 29th, 2025, and we have a blizzard currently going on. Started early this morning. We've got about 6-8 inches of snow, maybe definitely got up to 2 feet drifts. Wind's about 45 miles an hour. Here's how it really looks when it's... That's crazy. Here's the back. Our fire pit. It's about a foot high. It's already up to there. Really coming down. Yesterday it was 60 degrees. Last night it was 60 degrees. Pretty warm, and then just cold weather came in, and that's what we got. We get a lot of lake effect snow here in Michigan where we're at. Got snowmobile there, snowmobile there, snowmobile there. My Skidoo that I went to ride it when I first pulled it out for the season. That was just not maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe a week and a half. Rode it around, stopped here, went to shut it off, and kill switch wouldn't work. Key to shut it off wouldn't work. So I had to pull the plug wires, and finally got it to quit. But I had to get back in and tackle that and figure out what's going on with it. Hope you guys are having a blessed day where you're at. It's a beautiful Monday. Guys, have a blessed day.